The best front and rear dash cams let you capture footage in front and behind your vehicle. These are something you'll wish you had if an incident takes place on the road. By capturing what happens in front of and behind your vehicle, you'll have a full record of events should anything go wrong on the road. In this video, you'll find the very best front and rear dash cams available today, and all the information you need to choose between them. Number 5. Kenwood DRV-A601W 4K Ultra Dash Cam. A solid 4K dash cam without the bells and whistles. It is priced at around $200. Crisp 4K footage, built-in GPS, and the ability to hardwire into the car's battery to avoid annoying engine start-stop issues make this a reliable dash cam for capturing footage. But unlike some modern rivals, it lacks fancy extras, such as emergency breakdown location transmission and over-the-cloud CCTV. The top-of-the-range 4K model. With Wi-Fi to easily grab your footage, and it could release magnetic mount. It's ideal for plug-and-plays. Polarizing filter reduces glare in all weather, come rain or shine. With a 130-degree viewing angle, a large freehand screen, HDR, and GPS, giving you the right location, date, and time of any incident. When fitted with the optional hardware kit, stop-start technology, and intelligent parking mode are added. There's nothing much worse than returning from the shops to your parked car only to find someone's done a hit and run. And it records sound too. With smart parking mode, if your vehicle has been hit, your dash cam will help you show who's responsible. You can also add a rear view camera, to give you complete peace of mind. In the 4th position, we have the Cobra Smart Dash Cam Plus Rear Cam, SC400D. You get the front and rear cameras in the basic $400 package, but for $480 a direct mount 1080p interior view camera is included. This dash camera comes with Alexa built into its system. From playing music in your car to navigating or finding restaurants, Alexa is ready to help answer any question or request while you're on the road. With Ultra HD 4K resolution, you'll get 4 times the pixel resolution of 1080p, so you can see and capture every detail on your drive. Includes rear view accessory camera to see the front and rear of your vehicle, day or night. 3 view capable. Includes a front-facing SC400D dash cam and a rear-facing accessory camera to provide the dual view capability. Add on an optional cabin view accessory camera to record the road ahead, behind, and inside the vehicle at the same time. Get exclusive live police alerts on screen with the Cobra SC400D. Cobra SC Smart Dash Cams are the only products that show exclusive live police alerts like radar speed zones, speed camera locations, and more. Number 3. Galphi M2 Dash Cam. You can find it at a reasonable price of $80. M2 Dash Cam, built with a triple channel system, offers 165 degrees front camera, 160 degrees cabin inside the camera, and a 160 degrees rear camera. Simultaneously captures video from the front, rear, and cabin of your car as vital evidence for dispute or accident. High-performance Novatech chipset and Sony sensor help deliver smooth 1080p front video plus 720p cabin inside video, and 720p rear video. 3-channel videos are displayed on the IPS screen, giving you live-time video feedback of 3 sides of your car. Thanks to the f1.8 big aperture and wide dynamic range technology, the M2 car camera performs well in color precision and clarity whether day or night. Built-in gravity shock sensor. When the dash cam detects a collision or bump happens, the sensor will auto-lock the footage as evidence. The second product on our list is the 70mm Dash Cam Omni. The f1.5 large aperture and the new PureCell Plus S HDR technology deliver best-in-class performance even at low light situation. Empowered by a stepping motor, the Omnis rotate smoothly across 340 degrees. Combined with a 140 degrees lens FOV, Omni becomes the first 360 degrees dash cam with no blind spot full view and minimized image distortion. Smoothly panning the lens around to monitor all directions around your car. The Omni is equipped with voice control for added convenience. By giving simple voice commands, the camera performs the corresponding actions without turning your attention away from driving. Omni is equipped with powerful parking surveillance. By utilizing its upgraded AI motion detection algorithm, the dash cam is able to identify humans around your car, detect their motion, and precisely target their location. If people who approach remain suspicious and close to your car, Omni spontaneously follows and records their movements with 360-degree surveillance. With the assistance of the 4G hardwire kit, Omni's parking surveillance system will be able to notify you via the app at the first sign of a suspicious event or collision. And finally, the first product is the Ring Car Cam, a vehicle security cam with dual-facing HD cameras. It is priced at around $250. Dual-facing HD cameras, 2 wide-angle cameras, 1 road-facing to capture detailed driving footage, and 1 cabin-facing with night vision so that you have a security camera to protect against break-ins. Motion alerts with real-time notifications. Receive alerts for motion detected in your car when connected to your home Wi-Fi. Have the ability to see inside and talk with anyone in your car from your smartphone through the Ring app when your car is parked and connected to Wi-Fi or LTE. Easy installation. Car Cam plugs into your vehicle's OBD2 port. For safety, only use Car Cam in vehicles where the OBD2 port is located on the left side of the steering wheel. Ring Protect Go. When your car is away from your home Wi-Fi, get access to 180-day cloud storage, use live view and two-way talk wherever your car is, locate your car with built-in GPS, get rich notifications, real-time notifications, and more. The Traffic Stop feature lets you ask Car Cam to record by using the command, Alexa, record, and save your highlights to the cloud with an optional Ring Protect Go subscription, which is sold separately.